diggy, gonna back up, cause you know they yeah, what you say.
Papa.
Bemela.
I say me buy a dinkumopi, but the most important thing Nankasa in Yankai make a couple say. You see, like me buy a future, yeah, dying like send off this yeah, na be above.
Ready. Say on a bear must hana me come. And I said, you penny for us to say two actually bear my bones, you know. Me show. Send your per se, me home.
Yeah, I got some many idea, but I say my friend I'm in the buy. Obeki di say what in a chicha lady beer no anything commerce. I was in a girlfriend. Now, frankly speaking, a buy madam for an enemy corny feel. I say when he says a lady in a season, come. And Timmy so say, Imian Cassana right now, minimal parents now, so name me parents. Do say, in fact, I want to share with them, but yes, I worry for her. And Tina may suggest this idea, we say. Yet me and rent some query. You know, life no send be call back, me ba na bia me person limiti e koto dan ya me ankasa me sweat my day. Me see. Nti me dwen say the my friend here no. Me person me the same thing. Yeah. Before say me kono me plans ne sen comedy kan nya plot to be. Then madane asha wonsa ni ade na afin so me isa ko baka ma send this car bro send me show what when it da form since before send me be ba nkoma na ni me di then me who say when it da ho as oba na wo say oba usunsum katabe ma so na se mu ye bibia ebe koso nti mi mpae ni sere me pese me kobaka me di mechi ni bibia jaw se na me friend ye na mfaso abaso no I'm so that we are banty my me wife to be, let me say that way any come away na me so me hu wan pia na se ni sibitie
ni wa kan ni na service bi o menye kushini na menye sansani nti dia waka no ne kan no waka no bese ye nyini wase de meka na se nti me nkoso nteta nkofo akache saa nko ewie sabi akwantu mu na wo no eye dan a wokoba aba betena fisi wo ntimi anye bibia na bibi ni o kina nko ene fisi me na so bibi sisi afiefo beka se wo kuhwini na ente sanso so nti mate me do me wo ho ma me shobo se me ni ushamoda me soso de me ye bia wo ma ho odin se me de beboa no me ye within my
diggy, gonna back up, cause you know they yeah, what you say. I do it for the hood. Diggy, gonna back up, cause you know they yeah, what you say. I do it for the hood. I do it for Chrome. Or for Chrome, and I'm saying Chrome. Okay, let's do it for what's say Chrome. Me flat tone suit, me make a CSL bone suit. Against who is still time, Joe, what is Sonny and the cone suit. Me free bantima, straight up, now me come and shia. Kalano flex.
Hello. Yeah, hello, please, good afternoon. Oh, okay, I'm good. What about you? Okay. Please, I came across plots for sale at a junction. The Church of Pentecost, just so new Town District. My name is Anita. This your name? Lot. Oh, okay. Please, I'm looking for a plot of land to buy. And I came across plot for sale. Please, if I may ask, where do you stay? I want us to meet in person. That's why. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, okay. So what time can I meet you? 4 p.m. Okay. Thank you. Then I'll be there by 4 p.m. Okay. I'll give you a call homecoming. Okay. Thank you. Yes! Oba, I'm a friend, mommy. Mom, menya plots ni bi. Me ba mujanche ne so. Me ba me mujanche no so na me hu say plot for sale. Maja, we your bow, nye bema. O se me ni share 4 p.m. Yeah. Matene mama, we mo shi mra ho se se ara me na.
Giddy, call it back up, cause you know they hear what you say. I do it for the hood. Giddy, call it back up, cause you know they hear what you say.
So, as I was saying, I don't know why you were finding it so difficult to understand what I was trying to tell you. You're very practical, Noah. So first, you need to get beautiful pictures, not of yourself. Some of yourself, some not of yourself. You get? Into for a start, no. You have to do a nice photo shoot. Okay. Beautiful one. Excellent one. Very classy. We mean business. Okay. So you open a Facebook account with a different name. You're going to hide your identity. And then we'll upload these pictures. Okay. You get? So now, okay, so now that the Facebook account is ready, let me upload beautiful pictures like myself. Okay. My uploaded pictures now. So now I am going to friend some big business men. You get? To make a search, I must scroll it down. I can tell that there's money. Like, he's a businessman, he has money. You show any profile on Shadi. Okay. So Mr. Matthew Johnson. Oil and gas. Ooh. Pa. Friends request sent. So definitely the I should view my pictures. Me so me that to me profile say I'm a businesswoman. Okay. So he would definitely want to communicate to me since he's also a businessman. So I'll be waiting for his what reply. So let me start from here. Okay.
Are you the one to say hi first?
Yeah, I'll reply. So let me say hi. Okay, a little intro won't be bad. So my name is.
Let him ask first.
Wait.
What's up, bro? One day you say, a crack. We put back a hustle. There's always going to be a
my baby, master, and I said, I may come. A foot now with the man and a pap, with no wife again. You say, at least you jar, and I'm a man on no buy and what I expect. Come. So I've been asked, my dad, you know, say, me person me yet, and I'm wife, you know. The person me kono na me jadi biashe ni sa. At least nti se mo hoko kwa na bi discane ba no so dey yet. Send your wife here pepe.
If you ask the we say ka say be me bia bidi ya e ani na ba o.
Yes.
This is my wife see no. Me ka say me tell no sorry. It's no they say no wife for now we na bet na but we in life now we be out there sense I with my
Oh yes, my share kakra. We say me buy in am best in here. We say first one the na here phone so common here. Yeah, but me buy me study no me who say we bet my be.
okay. And then can you na start video also. Who say they see am asase no. Ya na akwai to say omo tonton mo bi na one neck fastness one year bibi but at least we have foundation cry so na say bia be wall afa ho
sana my imagine the person me to fence so ni mo mfa ho.
So, hey, this man is going to be so interesting. Okay, he says he's busy. Alright, cool. So, Yanko searching for another client.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So, this client is okay. So, now we've gotten 2 targets. And so, these men are going to be our men for now. In fact, back over in the hostel be to hear that sort of church and so no draw back. The bear is so nice, no? You pay attention to him. At some point, non say member there, as on trusted social media girls. But once in a while, be know when your time a man now in a casa nice. Sometimes we better text you say you're busy, you have a business meeting to attend, you are out of the town, be out could Dubai and now UK, you meeting business partners. Obe will say yes, you are a serious girl. You get to the moment I've been no Bekacho say, I just want us to meet. Sometimes they come with a business proposal. Sometimes they come with a normal relationship proposal.
And I'm saying because you better tons we shall be a genuine.
Oh be genuine people near dey nyina ma hwe ni ye mo say be genuine.
Why are they?
Yeah.
They said they make come with us and service. So no wo nyina team so busy that. So that we nyam do.
She we are saying na e ka no.
Most of times
no has na o bless o pese o mba na kana chia e kama no. Ono no service kana na no wo fan bi no. What's up?
They make catch one set.
Oh, thank you, big bro. Yeah.
Most of your ministers
say Adam for padi you share bia na ye. We say me dem ho ball no me ko ye kakra kama me.
Itali yan ko now de. But as simon bia no ko ba ko pede
you said the years I will kwan.
Ama we say the so no. O share foundation man for to o tin say e tan akisa.
E be ene be ba ho no muti. O ho no.
E dia no na challenge man. So we try.
Oh, me say ho no. Me me bibia keke.
What say me Judy?
Ah, me me bibia keke say me. Oh.
Gonna baka pussy no dey hear what you say. I do it for the hood. Gonna baka pussy no dey hear what you say.
Ai, come on. Na ho ye de.
Passa por ali. Won say that. O why? Tá? That's.
A ti o munya mai.
O munya mai. O munya mai.
Ah, samu.
Efie boko.
Oh, nyango pa do ja.
Não sei não é.
Ah, o tifie I want to go do change.
Oh, nanya men nei.
Sika wo.
Che. Ah, aba passa por ali.
Olha.
Entra na dia ele.
Me fa ba.
Baby am so free so boko ali.
Ah, ya de. Yi ne ko ya yi wie ya. Do da yi buka. Ya ko ti bu ya buseni ba kwase.
Ni onu fla kwantu mbesie. Efie ni maami no.
On zo.
Fla kwantu ma ba be.
Abusan pa de po.
Ya kese.
Mesi ajimensem.
Ye jo ba enye yi. Ana ma ya che.
Nsentia. Mama wa ma twesa mo baba.
Ana ensem sisi, ensem de bi sisi. Wa be sie ni maami. Fla kwantu.
Chese.
Edwada yi buka.
Ato be sen wi.
E wa ye ti bui. Adenya.
Abe show maami en munyam de enti ya ka ko ye adwuma te wo ka no.
Entra bu ha.
Efie fo yi wa sise kikire wo.
Entra bu ha obi wu abuhye ma won pese baba no.
Ah, kan ho.
So,
Kan.
nti we say de course we na say obi so etia.
Oma.
Me frère tu say ya bedu.
Na akode na ho.
Fino.
Ne pe BBC ja so e kwa kitchen wana. Fa BBC ja so man na yedidi
Na
ya.
fiche wo body en motwa.
Ene edwene de wona say paso de ekura say mumu ni.
Pe BBC so na de wi ade e de bai de se bebre.
Ta.
E brody ni BBC so motwa.
O le body na bi de da ye that's here.
Yeah, that's it.
That's here no say no e twan. So that's here.
Me frère.
what is the more remove.
Virus, why are you?
Hey, Unia. That is it, you said, baby, as more. You said, I can be a virus or be paid as you are the end. I get what. Sir, I have been do. Oh, yeah, the bag is you where. Oh, you. And you are a church, your mammy.
Oh, move bad, baby, some money.
And you may not be home.
Can you want my man and cousin? Yeah, my man can be.
Hello, Atu. Now what to say?
I mean, you're
Master Trandy.
Hey, California love. Yes, it's up there. What the poo be muka also night. Ah, Yammy Shramu Yafunuati. Say Yan and Cow one fetty. Yati, you hear when you do the mood simua. No more canamedy at the Quabes, you'll be a so. Matia, I never did you. Yamin come on.
They didn't try you, but I said, hey, you man, it is out.
Oh, my cat.
And you man, it is out. So would imagine what you most see and said.
Sir, I want the idea.
I have one.
So wow, to baby, can I wow, bonnet?
What you say? I do it for the